Hello everyone, welcome to New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic. I am a patient. His surgery was done like 5 months before. Show me your result. These are his results, okay, after 5 months. So we have transplanted, look down little bit, okay. So we have transplanted the full coverage of the head, look down. Yeah, okay. So from here to here we have transplanted everything, and these are his results just after 5 months, and 2 PRP is done, I guess. Okay. So tell me, how was your experience?
It was pretty well. The staff was very good when we had the surgery on the day of transplant and everything. And yeah, means the confidence level has now gone up. Means earlier it was kind of bald, means the hair was kind of a see-through from the front, but now you can see the results are very good, and I'm pretty happy with the results.
Okay. Did anyone notice that you have done hair transplant?
Yeah, just the people who already knew means was going to have a transplant, no, but those who haven't seen me from many months didn't even know that I've gone through any surgery.
Okay. Is it looking natural?
Yeah, it is pretty good looking.
So how about your look? You got your the old one look before the when you had a hair. You got that look back. How's the life after that?
So it has been COVID, so mostly I've been at home only, but so not much has a difference, but yeah, means the confidence level goes up, and when you meet people in physical, then they appreciate. Means some people who know, they appreciate that it has been a very good surgery, and many people who are going bald, and some of my friends have started to think about this surgery now.
Okay, so those people who are opting for hair transplant, they're looking for hair transplant. What would you suggest them?
Yeah, means so most of the doctors who told me that there is no procedure other than hair transplant for this thing. Means you cannot grow back the hair by any other method. So yeah, you should go for hair transplant only.
Okay, he's my patient. It's just a 5 months result. You can see all hairs are there. They're growing pretty good. The quality of the hair, the density, the thickness of the hairs, it's all good. The hairs are natural. They're growing natural. You can cut it, you can shave it, you can do anything with them. And he's also looking happy. Okay, thank you for your words. Yeah.